Assalamualaikum to Puan Fauzia Saada and all my friends. I'm Karimisa binti Muhammad Ali, and today my topic is how to bake a chocolate cake. Cake is one of the famous desserts. It must have for birthday celebrations, weddings, and anniversary celebration. The ever popular cake, especially for ladies, is chocolate cake. So today, I want to show you how to bake a chocolate cake. To bake a chocolate cake, we need 1 cup of butter, half cup of condensed milk, half cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 cups of plain flour, half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half cup of milk. And first we need to beat the butter and brown sugar together until fluffy. Okay, it's look fluffy and light. Then we need to add in condensed milk. Beat it again. After that, add in eggs. Then add on 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Only 1 teaspoon. Then beat in. Okay. Now we need to sieve the plain flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. So we sieve the cocoa powder first. Okay, then sieve in plain flour. We need to sieve it only half of plain flour, then stir it. Put 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the left plain flour. Okay, after that, sieve it to the butter. Okay, and the last one is add half cup of milk to achieve a dropping consistency for the batter. Only half cup, okay? Okay, now put the butter to the tins which have been greased and lined with baking paper. Okay, now it's ready to bake in the oven for 30 until 35 minutes at 180 degrees. So now we can bake it. Okay, now we want to make a ganache. So what we need is melting the butter, 50 grams of butter with 2 cups of milk over a very gentle heat. Okay, once the butter has melted, so put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and also 250 grams of chopped chocolate. Okay, continue to stir it until all chocolate has melted. Then if the milk starts to produce a tiny bubbles, just turn off the switch. Continue to stir it. Okay, now the sauce looks smooth. And the last thing what to do is pour the sauce into a bowl. We need to place in the fridge to chill. Baking tips! Okay, the first one is, before starting your cake, preheat your oven to the right temperature. It is important to put your cake into a nice, warm oven to start cooking straight away. And second, make sure all the ingredients such as butter, milk, eggs are all at temperature rooms.